I want to get the floor pad.
Go ahead.
So then from here, so talk about what y'all used here. Is that bags of concrete?
Yep. Quick creek.
Some Quickcrete?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever's on sale at the Dollar General, boss. Half a bag would be about, it might be a little bit shorter.
So y'all use the quick set, right? The concrete on this, but on these smaller divots over here,
Use plenty patch, it just dries quicker and it don't have any rocks in it. It's more.
it's a smooth, right? Is it self-leveling? No? Let's see how that ends up. So Jeremiah, you said you'd rather have it a little low than a little high?